Good morning, dears. How are you all? All of you fine? Okay, good. I think all of you safe at your home. Okay, do you remember our last class? Okay, what's the name of our story? Yes, Mowgli. First, I describe the first part of the story. You listen carefully. Okay. A panther named Bagheera got a baby from the riverside, from the boat. He took the baby to the forest and he gave the baby to a wolf. From the wolf, the baby grown. From the wolf and the three cubs, the baby grown up. Okay, they named the baby as Mowgli. What's his name? Mowgli. Now our Mowgli is a young boy. One day, Mowgli and the three cubs went to the forest, a deep forest. From there, they seen a beautiful sights. Which are the sights we discussed there? In the last class, we says that we discussed the so many sights they find in the forest. Which are they? Yeah, a stream and waterfalls and so many trees. Some big trees are touching to the sky. And finally, our Mowgli and the three cubs are reached under a tree. That's a apple tree. From the tree having beautiful and sweet ripe apples. By seeing the apples, the cubs said to Mowgli. What the cubs said to Mowgli? Yes, Mowgli, please get apple for us. Mowgli, please get apple for us. Okay, now let's read the remaining part of the story. All of you ready? Okay, good. Page number 53. A threat. A threat. What's the meaning of threat? You know what's the meaning of threat? Yeah, a trouble or a problem. Okay. First, I read the paragraph. You listen carefully. Okay. Mowgli climbed up the tree. Oh, such a lot of sweet apples. He plucked one. Catch it. He threw it down. He plucked another. This is for you. 1, 2, 3. Mowgli went on plucking apples. Yeah, we says that the three cubs said to Mowgli, Mowgli, please get up some apples for us. By hearing this, our Mowgli started to climb the tree. Mowgli started to climb the tree of the apple tree. And such a lot of sweet apples. He plucked one. By saying that, Mowgli climbed to the tree and he sees the sweet apples and ripe sweet apples. He says that, oh, such a lot of sweet apples from the tree, having loads of apples. And by saying this, he plucked one apple. He plucked one apple from the tree. Catch it. He threw it down. Okay, catch it. And he plucked the apples and said to the cubs, catch it. By saying that, he threw the apple. Catch it. And Mowgli threw the apple. Catch എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ നിങ്ങളിത് പിടിക്കുക എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് മൗഗ്ലി എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ആ ഒരു ആപ്പിൾസ് എറിഞ്ഞു കൊടുത്തു. Okay, he plucked another. This is for you. Yeah, then Mowgli plucked more and more apples and gave the apples to the cubs. He plucked another. This is for you. 1, 2, 3. Mowgli went on plucking apples. Yeah, Mowgli plucked so many apples. He continued the plucking of apples from the tree. Mowgli, come down. That's enough. The cubs shouted. The cubs said in said loudly to the Mowgli, Mowgli, stop it. Came down. This is enough. This is over. Let's stop the plucking of apples. The cubs shouted, or the cubs said loudly to Mowgli, Mowgli, stop, and came down. This is enough. This is over. Have as much as you can. They are very sweet. Mowgli came down and ate the apples with his friends. And then also Mowgli plucked more apples, and he says that they are very sweet. We can pluck more. We can pluck as much as we can. Okay, by saying this, Mowgli plucked more apples from the tree. Then Mowgli came down the tree and ate apples with his friends. Who's the friends of Mowgli? Yeah, the three cubs. Mowgli ate the sweet apples with his friends, the cubs. They are the cubs. Eat the apples with cubs. Zzz. Suddenly they heard a hissing sound. What's the sound of hissing? Ss. That is the hissing sound. Ss. They hear the sound of ss, a hissing sound from the back. What is the sound? What may be the sound? Is there anybody in the back of the tree? What you are thinking? Somebody is there. Okay, when they are eating the apples, they heard a voice. Is a hissing sound from the back. Okay, they are afraid. What may be the sound? Okay, what could be the sound? Can you say which is the sound? Okay, all of you take page number 54. Okay, though you can see a picture. What you can see? What you can see in the picture? Yes, a big snake is in front of them. A big snake is in front of them. The sound of is, or the hissing sound is, came from the snake. The snake make the sound of hissing. The snake make the sound is. Okay. Then who's make the sound? Yes, snake. Ka, the snake. The name of the snake is Ka. Run, it's Ka, the dangerous snake. The cubs cried as they ran. Yeah, when seeing the snake, the three cubs are very afraid. They are afraid and said to the Mowgli, run, run, it's Ka. Mowgli, let's run from here. It's Ka, a dangerous snake. This is a dangerous snake. Let's go from here. Run, run. The cubs cried as they ran. By saying this, the cubs are ready to run. They are started to run. Stop there. This is my tree. How dare you pluck apples from my tree? Stop there. The Ka said to them, stop there. This is my tree. The Ka says that this is my tree. Stop there. How dare you pluck the apples from my tree? Dare means courage, dhairyam. How dare you pluck apples from my tree? എന്ത് ധൈര്യത്തിൽ എങ്ങനെ ആണ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇത്ര ധൈര്യം കിട്ടിയ? എൻ്റെ ഈ ആപ്പിൾസ് മരത്തിൽ വന്നിട്ട് ആപ്പിൾസ് പറിക്കാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എങ്ങനെ ഇത്ര ധൈര്യം വന്നു? സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ദോ, ദിസ് ഇസ് മൈ ട്രീ. ഹൗ ഡെയർ യു പ്ലക്ക് ആപ്പിൾസ് ഫ്രം മൈ ട്രീ? Ka blocked their way. By saying this, Ka blocked their way. When Mowgli and cubs are started to run, the Ka blocked their way and says that this is my tree. How dare you pluck my apples from the tree? It rushed towards them and hissed. It moved suddenly in front of them. The Ka moved suddenly in front of them and hissed. The Ka again make the sound as z. He hissed to them. Okay, what will happen next? Is Ka bite Mowgli and cubs? What will happen? It will attack them. Do you think like that? Okay, all of you take page number 59. Activity number 3. Look at the picture. What you can see in that picture? Yes, Mowgli. What are things as you can see there? Yes, a big tree is there. Birds are flying, and Mowgli and Ka is fighting with each other. And so many animals are there. So many animals are there. They are looking the fight. What's the reactions of our 3 cubs? They are happy. No, they are looks like very afraid. They are looks like very afraid. Okay, here the activity. Mowgli is fighting with Kaa. Can you describe the scene? Some hints are given below. Okay, here the activity is write a short description about the picture. Some clues, some hints are given there. Some pictures. Now look at the first picture. Okay, you can see Mowgli. Okay, the sentence is started with the Mowgli. Mowgli is fighting with dash. With whom Mowgli is fighting? Yes, with Kaa. Then the sentence is Mowgli is fighting with Kaa. Okay, something like that. You must fill the remain part of the hints, and some pictures are given there. You write its name. Second is the 3 cups, and something like that. You write the sentence and you describe and you write it in a paragraph mode. Okay, you first you complete the first you complete this part, then you write this into a paragraph. Okay, this is an easy activity. Okay, we have to continue the next part of the story in our next class. I think all of you understood this class. Okay, thank you.